Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be unboxing the Airmar SS164. This is the Simrad version for their Xsonic 9-pin units. This is a 1 kW Thru-Hull transducer, traditional sonar, so it has 50 and 200 kilohertz. This is a 20-degree tilt version. This is a flush mount tilted element Thru-Hull. So let's get into this box here. When you open your box, you'll have a little shipping divider here. You will have your mounting hardware bag, which has your stainless locking screws, it has your hole spacer, and it has 2 rubber washers in there. Because this is a stainless version, it also does include a plastic isolation ring in case this was going into a metal hold vessel. The bronze version does not include that. Packaging there, and then you have your transducer itself. Again, this is a 1 kW transducer, traditional sonar, 50 and 200 kilohertz. This is the stainless version. This is also a bronze version. This is the Simrad version, so it is pinned with a Xsonic 9-pin connector. This was a product unboxing video of the Airmar SS164. This is a very good transducer, and you can find that product link in the description below. Thanks for watching.